Hi friends, welcome to my channel for another video.
There is an old saying, expect the unexpected, which literally means do not be surprised by unusual events. Anything might happen. The saying holds very much true when it comes to our Indian roads. Anything can happen. Things which you would not have even dreamt of might happen on our roads.
So today let's see one such thing that happened to me. It just came out of nowhere and really surprised me. I was going back home for the weekend. Usually while driving, I anticipate a lot of things and elements which can have an adverse effect on us. But this time, I failed to anticipate this one. Let's see what happened. There was a bridge 4 days ago and now it is not there. I never expected this and was really surprised. Though I know this road from my childhood and using this road every week, this came out of nowhere and surprised me. This happened on 31st of July, and let me show you the same place on 27th of July when I was going for work. This is the bridge. It was well and good, and 4 days later it is not even there. Now once again let us have a look what happened. So what we should do in situations like this? The first thing is do not panic. If you panic, you cannot think of what to do next. Your survival instincts won't work and eventually it will lead to a crash. So whatever the situation, just keep your cool. Second thing is drive as if you are driving on that road for the first time. That is, you have to be more cautious and alert. These two things can save you in situations like this. So always expect the unexpected on our roads. Thanks for watching. Please press the subscribe button and click on the bell icon for more videos.